In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a presentation in Google Slides. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sending your slides to a wider audience, sharing your presentation is a vital skill to master. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, so you can easily share your work. To start, you'll need to open Google Slides. Simply navigate to your preferred web browser and type in slides.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Slides homepage, where all your presentations are readily accessible. Once you're there, ensure that you're signed into your Google account. You'll see a sign in button if you're not already logged in. Click it and complete your login with your Google email and password. Now you're on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll find various options to begin a presentation. If you're starting a new presentation from scratch, click on the blank presentation option. However, if you prefer to use an existing template, you can browse through the available templates and select the one that suits your project best. This flexibility allows you to tailor your slides to meet the specific needs of your presentation without spending too much time on design. Once your presentation is open, it's time to share it. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. This button is your gateway to collaborating with others. Clicking it will open a dialog box with several sharing options. In the dialog box, you'll see a field labeled Add People and Groups. Here you can enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to share your presentation with. But what if you need to share the presentation with a larger group or make it publicly accessible? That's where the copy link feature comes in handy. Below the Add People and Groups field, you'll see a section labeled Get Link. Here you'll have the option to change the access settings by clicking on the drop-down menu that usually states restricted. You can adjust these settings to fit your needs, whether it be restricted, viewable by anyone with the link, or with specific permission levels such as viewer, commenter, or editor. After customizing your link settings, click on Copy Link. This copies the link to your clipboard, making it incredibly easy to share via email, chat, or any other communication platform. Paste this link anywhere you need, knowing that those with access can view or collaborate on your presentation as per the settings you chose. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've shared your Google Slides presentation, enabling seamless collaboration and communication. By following these steps, you can ensure your presentations are shared accurately and efficiently every time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.